When you think of products going viral, your mind probably wanders to that Oreos you can still dunk in the dark tweet, which garnered an astonishing 40,000 retweets and Facebook likes during 2013 Super Bowl power outage. Or perhaps you think of the Dove Real Beauty Sketches video, which got more than 60 million views. When these global brands go viral, it's not a huge surprise. Global brands have agencies and well-staffed marketing teams standing by to handle the good, the bad, and the ugly that can result in virality. But what happens to the little guys? How can the small brands hit marketing gold? How can you create a product that goes viral? Jonah Berger, an assistant professor of marketing at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School of Business, has dedicated his career to answering one simple question. What makes a product go viral?
Power laces, all right.
Everyone knows Rebecca Black, yes? Okay, so many people have argued that this is the worst song ever. So one question though is, if this song is so bad, why did so many people watch it? Right, this song was one of the most viral videos of 2011, over 300 million views at this point. Why? This is searches for Rebecca Black over time. What you notice is it goes up, big spike. You probably can't see it, but it's a spike every 7 days. Now, this song is equally bad every day of the week. I checked. I've listened to it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, and Friday, equally bad. Yet Friday is an environmental reminder to think about that song and to share it with others.
As he explains in his new book, every viral product has a similar strain of features in common. Features that can be replicated to make any product go viral. The first is emotional impact.
And that's what I'll call a trigger. Right? It's a cue, a stimulus environment that triggers us to think about something else. And the idea here is if something is top of mind, like Friday makes us think about Rebecca Black's song, it's going to be tip of tongue. Not only are we going to be more likely to watch that song or purchase a product if it is a product, we're going to be more likely to share it with others because it's top of mind.
People tend to evangelize a product if it affected them emotionally, whether it solved a stressful problem or brightened a bad day. For example, if a BuzzFeed article makes you laugh, you'll likely share it with friends who need a lift. One of the ways you can garner an emotional response towards your brand or product is by improving the emotional impact of your content. What does that mean? Your customers constantly expect relevant personal content from your brand, but most brands are missing the opportunity to engage them in a meaningful way that builds loyalty. The second is visibility.
You ever wonder what this pocket's for? I've always wondered that. Well, now we know, because this is the new iPod Nano.
Giving a product a distinctive feature, such as a standout logo or color, helps consumers notice when others are using it. For example, you immediately recognize iPods because Apple made the headphones white, when other companies all used black. The third is the story.
Don't try to be the fastest runner in your school or the fastest in the world. Be the fastest ever.
If people are going to share your product, they need to be able to tell its story. That can be as simple as a clear statement about what the product does.
This isn't a dream. Your watch can take an ECG. But if it was a dream, that watch would track your REM sleep down to the minute.
Or as complicated as a really interesting origin story. For example, people who buy Tom's shoes love telling others how one pair is donated for every pair you buy.
I never would have imagined that I'd become a shoe salesman so that I could give away shoes. I mean, that idea seems ludicrous. I wanted to help these kids get shoes, and I didn't want to make it hard to keep track of, so I said, we'll sell a pair, so then we can give a pair.
If you want to build a brand today and keep up with the evolution of retail commerce, be sure to check out Krepling, where you can have a 360-degree view of your growth and have the tools to compete with some of the bigger players in your industry. Click the link below to get started. Until next time, good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.